I look like a bird. I literally look like a peacock. Just fine, I guess. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Manifested Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Guy, and this is my Twitter, TikTok, and podcast. All the links are down below. Timestamps are down below. And I try to do something different. It was just supposed to be white eyeliner, and then I put an orange eyeshadow, and then I was like, I gotta do rainbow. But I hope by the time I uploaded this, it is still Pride Month. So we're just gonna say this look was a Pride Month thing and not an experiment. But today we're gonna be talking about free will in your reality. Does free will exist? All things free will. Free will does not exist. It does not exist in your reality. The only person that has free will is you. The only person that has the ability to change their mind, change their life, change their circumstances, change their desires is you. So when people are like, oh, somebody else is also manifesting what I want, somebody else is also manifesting my specific person, somebody else is also manifesting XYZ, like, what if they get it? It's like you're experiencing life through your point of view and your own personal reality. Your favorite show, for example, take the main character. Pick a show where the main character has a best friend that comes on every couple episodes. All you know about the main character's best friend in your favorite TV show is what the main character's consciousness allows you to see. You only see the best friend on the screen when the main character's consciousness allows them to exist. It's not like the best friend doesn't have their own separate life, their own home life, their own like little TV show going on, but we're not experiencing it. We only see the manifestations of the best friend that the main character allows. So it's the same thing. Yes, people can have their own lives and do their own things, but as far as your relationship to them, the stuff that you experience with them, they're not in control of that because you are in control because everybody's you pushed out. So if someone is also manifesting the same specific person as you, they may manifest them, but not in your reality. So the you that is living this, the you that is watching this video, the you that is aware of law of assumption and your power to create will not experience them having their specific person unless you allow that into your consciousness. Like if you're scared that they're going to manifest a specific person and they do, then that was you though. That wasn't their power. That was you allowing it because you were scared and it manifested in physical form. But if you're genuinely I have no competition, there's no way this person doesn't want me, there's no way they don't see anybody but me, there's no way I'm losing to anybody in my reality, then you won't because you're in control. A lot of people see specifically manifesting a specific person to do things like call you, text you, be in love with you, ask you for commitment or relationship, like, oh, it's manipulative, it's witchcraft, or it's like controlling. Here's my thing. When you're manifesting someone to do something, like call you, like if you think of your mom and she calls you, did you manipulate her? No. Did you control her? No. Even if it's a romantic thing, are you going up to this specific person and holding a gun to the head and said, you're going to think about me for the rest of your life, and if you don't, I'm going to pull? No. The version of them that is madly in love with you, the version of the boss that is nice to you, the version of the teacher that gives you straight A's already exists. You're not creating this state of being from thin air. We're infinite beings. I understand we're in these like limited bodies, but we're infinite beings. We have the capacity to act, behave, and do things however we want. You're awakening in them a state of being that already exists. So you're not manipulating them. If they fall in love with you, it's because they already were. If they ask you to be their partner, it's because there's a state of being in them that already wanted you to be their partner. You just were awakening in it. You just awakened it and you became conscious to that version of them. What does Daddy Neville Goddard say? Neville Goddard is the daddy of law of assumption, if you don't know. He says, change the concept of yourself and you will automatically change the world in which you live. Do not try to change people. They are only messengers telling you who you are. Revalue yourself and they will confirm the change. He talks about self-concept. He talks about everybody is you pushed out. You're not changing these people. It's not like mind games. You are changing yourself. You are seeing yourself as someone who is valuable and worthy of time, respect, patience, kindness. And that will get you the results. No, they don't have a choice. They don't have a choice. They don't have a choice to see you as irresistible. When you go on social media and you see a really pretty girl and you're like, oh my God, she's so pretty. Like, I wish I looked like her. You've never even met her. She's not coming to you and being like, think I'm pretty, think I'm pretty, think I'm pretty. She sees herself as someone who is gorgeous. So the world responds to that view of her. She didn't mind control you. You are just a projection of her inner thoughts. So if you're looking for your specific person to call you or apologize to you or make up with you and they haven't done it yet, it's because you don't see yourself as someone who is worthy of them doing it. They can only respond to your thoughts. Again, they do not have the free will. So if they're not doing it and you're like, where is it? Why aren't they doing it? It's because they can't. They literally do not have the power to do something against your command. You have to change how you view yourself. So when you're moving around your reality and you're getting down because this person isn't doing this and they're not conforming to this, remind yourself that that version of them already exists. They already are the best person. They already respect you. They're already kind to you. It exists. Remind yourself that movement is always happening. You are moving to that timeline where that state of them is awakened. Let them do what they want to do because they have to conform no matter what. You can look at them showing you opposite of what you want to see and be like, that's really cute. You're about to conform to me and you have no idea. So get ready to get on your hands and knees because you're going to respect me. You're going to love me. You're going to be nice to me. You're going to treat me with respect. Period. Focus on yourself. Focus on you during this time. Focus on your self-image and your self-concept, who you want to be, who you want the world to see you as, and trust that it will happen. It has happened for thousands of people. It happens constantly. Every single person in reality is only a response to you. You can't tell me that there's a single person in your reality who doesn't show up how you expect them to show up. So it works for billions of people, actually, and it will work for you. And with that being said, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. I love you so much, and I'll talk to you in my next video. You can have anything you want in this freaking universe. Don't let anybody tell you can't. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. I love you. Bye.